Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Government's accounts and auditing systems in a mess. 7,000 utilization certificates due for the past 6 to 7 years. 583 annual audit accounts of 190 autonomous bodies not received by CAG. Karnataka tactfully nullifies local opposition to Mahadev project, initiates relief measures, assures state assistance. Kanukumbi cools down concern for Goa's Mahadev Bachao. First full-day schools begin in Kankona. 8-hour schooling at Nirakar and Sharda Anand High Schools. CCE system in force. Students and teachers say it's fine. Two Keralites arrested by CID immigration at Daboli airport with fake passports. Accused due of forged passports. 8th case of fake passports at Daboli since July. And Goa Cricket Association should come under RTI, says GCA Vice President Dr. Shekhar Salkar. It's my personal opinion since we are operating in a transparent manner now, says Salkar. And now the news in detail. The accounts and auditing system of the state government is in a mess. The latest CAG report has poked questions on the system as there are almost 7,000 utilization certificates due for the past 6 to 7 years in respect of grants and loans worth 529 crore rupees. That's not all. A total of 583 annual accounts of 190 autonomous bodies, including 182 grant and aided schools and departments like Art and Culture, Chief Town Planner, Agriculture, Municipal Administration and Panchayats have not been received by the CAG. Watch this report.
General Financial Rule provides that for grants provided for specific purposes, utilization certificates should be obtained by the departmental officers and forwarded to the Director of Accounts within 12 months from the dates of their sanction. Now a look at the state of auditing and accountability of the government and age-wise position of outstanding utilization certificates. Of the 6,972 utilization certificates due in respect of grants and loans worth 529 crore rupees paid up to 2010. 6,708, that is 96%, worth 464 crores are outstanding for past more than 6 to 7 years. Pendency of utilization certificates mainly pertained to Directorate of Municipal Administration, Directorate of Panchayats, Directorate of Arts and Culture, Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, and Directorate of Education. The story doesn't get over here. The head of departments are required to furnish to audit every year detailed information about the financial assistance given to various institutions, the purpose of assistance granted and the total expenditure on these institutions. A total of 583 annual accounts of 190 autonomous bodies due up to 2010 have not been received by the Accounts General. These bodies include 182 grant and aided schools, Directorate of Arts and Culture, Chief Town Planner, Agriculture, Science and Technology, Municipal Administration and Directorate of Panchayats. The pendency is almost for past 3 to 6 years. Non-submission of utilization certificates, information about grants and loans and accounts in time faces risk of misutilization of funds. CAG has placed the finger on this gross indiscipline. Will the incumbent Parrikar-led government have a different and serious approach towards these audit and accounting affair, or they will continue as in the past? Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Karnataka government is on the move to nullify opposition of locals to the Mahadev project. Government has initiated various relief measures at Kanukumbi, the main village in Belgaum district affected by the Mahadev project. People of Kankumbi were initially opposing the Madhe diversion canal. The opposition has now cooled down a lot, a concern for Goa's Save Madhe movement. Now the scene at Kankumbi is changing. Watch Rakesh Kanolkar's Ground Zero report.
Have a look at this canal in Kankumbi that is being built for diversion of the Kalsa river's water into Malaprabha. Kalsa is the tributary of Goa's Madhe or Mandovi river. Karnataka government has chopped off many trees in this area for the canal. This has resulted into soil erosion in the region. Many houses of Kankumbi villagers have been damaged due to this diversion work. Even agricultural land of some farmers has been acquired for this canal work. For the past few years, villagers of Kankumbi were opposing this project as it has affected their traditional life and activities. But now very few are raising their voice. Villagers say recently their local MLA visited the site and has assured them all the state assistance. Some are awaiting compensation from the Karnataka government.
ह्या टनेलमुळे गावाची 10 घर खचलेली आहेत. साईडची घर आहेत ना ती पूर्ण भेगाड गेलेली आहे.
विरोध पहिला केला आता काय करणार तर द्यायला पाहिजे नाही. झालं तर पॅक करून देणार हे सगळं गावाजवळ वरती हे घालून माती भरून देणार.
पण आता कोण विरोध करीत नाही.
आता कोण नाही
विरोध करीत नाही.
तर फुटलं घरा फुटले ते काल बघून गेले घेऊन आमदार येऊन बघून गेले.
काय पैसे बिन दिले हे कसं
घरांना ते मंजूर झाले पैसे अजून दिले नाहीत.
मंजूर झाले
पण
पैसे दिले नाही.
This is the temple tank in Kankumbi getting silted due to the canal's work. Karnataka government has promised and assured the locals to settle this issue.
पाणी म्हणजे आम्हाला इथे तीर्थक्षेत्र देतो म्हटलं त्यांनी. तीर्थक्षेत्र आहे इथे. इथं देवी तिथं आता आंघोळ करायला शिवरात्रीला शिगम्याला तिथं देतो म्हटलं त्यांनी पाणी तिथे. हा सगळं मंजूर झाले पैसे तिथे.
पण अजून दिले
नाही. Goan activists fighting for Madhe River in past were heavily relying on the Kankumbi villagers for local support. But the tactful move by the Karnataka government seems working and the local opposition seems to be cooling down, posing a concern for the saving of Madhe movement. Rakesh Kanolkar and Omkar Falari for Prudent Media.
Full-day schooling has begun in Goa. 2 schools in Kankon have begun full-day schooling. Nirakar High School in Mashe and Sharda Anand School in Poingani have opted for continuous comprehensive evaluation system. The teachers feel that this move will help develop various skills and techniques in the students. Even students are happy to spend their time in school with their friends, learning newer curricular activities. Watch Bhavesh Borkar's report.
Eight-hour schooling isn't boring actually. That's what these school students feel. Especially when they stay at the school campus, busy spending time with friends and extracurricular supporting activities. Students of Nirakar High School and Sharadanand School in Mashe and Poingini are really enjoying the newly introduced system of 8-hour schooling. We caught up with these students.
In the evening, we are sitting in a library or AV room. We just practice grammar or maths.
Overall, how do you feel?
Feel nice.
I feel good of full-day school because we get more interest in studies and we feel nice to come to school and enjoy with others.
We try to know whether they miss their home and family.
You miss your parents at uni?
No. Because it is very joyful here.
The principal of Nirakar High School, Hemant Kamath, feels this move will develop and enrich skills in the students.
एक्स्ट्रा क्लासी भितर आमी एक केलो म्हणटा आनी आमी नॉर्मल जो क्लासेस आसा तातूंत आमचे कडेन प्रत्येक क्लासान 45-50 स्टुडंट्स आसा ते डिवायड केला बेस्ड ऑन द क्वॉलिटी ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स. आनी पिरियड जो आसा तो एक तासाचो केला ज्यातून भितर टीचर एक सादारण 15 ते 20 जाणांच्या ग्रुपाक व्यवस्थीतपणे सगळ्यो गजाली व्यवस्थीत तरेन तांकां मांडपाक शकता, क्लियर करपाक शकता. ताजे भायर आर्ट एज्युकेशन, कंप्युटर एज्युकेशन, बाकीचे वेगवेगळ्या गजालीचेर तांकां पिक्चर्स दाखोवप, वेगवेगळे वर्कबूक दिवन तांचे कडल्यान काम करून घेवप. म्हणजे जें ट्रेडिशनल शिक्षण जें आशिल्लें, जें टीचर सेंटराचेर टीचर उलयतालो भुरगो कांय करनाशिल्लो, तें हळू आमी स्टुडंट सेंटर्ड केलां. म्हणजे भुरगो काम करता आनी टीचर ताका फक्त जस्ट गायड करता, अशें तरेचें शिक्षण.
The teachers find themselves busy in teaching and training with variety of extracurricular activities like dance, music, singing.
It will definitely benefit not only few students, it will benefit a larger group. म्हणजे सपोज जर डान्स क्लासेस समज जर स्कुलाकच दिले आर्ट अँड कल्चर, इफ इट गिव्स डान्स क्लासेस टू स्टार्ट्स डान्स क्लासेस इन स्कूल जाल्यार सगळ्याक बेनिफीट मेळटले. आतां कितें जातालें, जे कोण पेरंट्स रेडी आसा जावं जांचे कडेन पयसो आसा तेच धाडटाले आपल्या भुरग्याक डान्स क्लासीसाक. जे कोण गरीब आसा तांकां शक्य जायनाशिल्लें, पूण तेच समज जर प्रत्येक स्कुलाक समज जर अशें धाडलें फूल डे स्कूल करून जाल्यार इट वील बेनिफीट अ लार्जर होल, आय फील.
Our reporter Babesh Borkar for Prudent Media.
More news when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.